अबे यार ये म्यूट म्यूट कौन किया मुझे? Hello everyone. Hi there. Thank you to each one of you for being here with us today. We are truly delighted to welcome you all to the inauguration ceremony of GDSC AIKTC. Before we begin, we would like to invoke the peace and blessing of God. Let's start the ceremony with few holy verses of Quran by Hamza Khalid Beg, our content writing assistant.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولقد أنزلنا إليكم آيات مبينات ومثلا من الذين خلوا من قبلكم وموعظة للمتقين. الله نور السماوات والأرض، مثل نوره كمشكاة فيها مصباح، المصباح في زجاجة، الزجاجة كأنها كوكب دري يوقد من شجرة مباركة زيتونة لا شرقية ولا غربية، يكاد زيتها يضيء ولو لم تمسسه نار، نور على نور، يهدي الله لنوره من يشاء، ويضرب الله الأمثال للناس والله بكل شيء عليم. في بيوت أذن الله أن ترفع ويذكر فيها اسمه يسبح له فيها بالغدو والآصال، رجال لا تلهيهم تجارة ولا بيع عن ذكر الله وإقام الصلاة وإيتاء الزكاة، يخافون يوما تتقلب فيه القلوب والأبصار، ليجزيهم الله أحسن ما عملوا ويزيدهم من فضله، والله يرزق من يشاء بغير حساب. And indeed, we have sent down for you ayat that make things plain, and the example of those who passed away before you, and an admonition for those who are al-muttaqun, the pious. Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. The parable of his light is as if there were a niche, and within it a lamp. The lamp is in glass, the glass as it were a brilliant star, lit from a blessed tree, an olive, neither of the east nor of the west. Though no fire touched it, whose oil would almost glow forth, though no fire touched it. Light upon light. Allah guides to his light whom he wills, and Allah sets forth parables for mankind, and Allah is all-knower of everything. In houses which Allah has ordered to be raised, to be clean and to be honored, in them his name is glorified in the mornings and in the afternoons or the evenings. Men whom neither trade nor sale diverts from the remembrance of Allah with heart and tongue, nor from performing a salat, nor from giving the zakat. They fear a day when hearts and eyes will be overturned, that Allah may grant them according to the best of their deeds and add even more for them out of His grace, and Allah provides without measure to whom He wills.
With introduction of JDSC. So for those who are new to this community, you might be thinking that what JDSC is. So we cannot. JDSC stands for Google Developer Student Clubs, which is a community group for college and university students interested in Google developer technology. Students from undergraduate to graduated are welcome in our community. By joining JDSC, you the students start growing their knowledge and in by peer-to-peer learning environment and build solution for their local businesses and community. And you know what our motive is? Our motive is to learn, connect, and grow together. And there's this famous saying that together everyone achieves so much more. That means team. Here at JDSC IKTC, we have a team of 5 core members and 2 student coordinators. Now, without further ado, allow me to introduce myself and my fabulous team who will be guiding you all throughout this year. So, hello everyone. I'm Khan Zakir Rahman. I'm a third-year computer engineering student and I am a JDSC lead of AIKTC. I'm a full stack web developer and a Flutter developer too. Apart from JDSC, I'm also a leader at Hack Club. Speaking about my stack, I can code in Python, Java, C, JavaScript, C++, Kotlin, Dart. And I have worked with many frameworks like Django, Django REST framework, Express, Flutter, React. So I'm kind of guy all in one. But I'm still on the way to see cybersecurity and machine learning. And what is fun fact about me? I'm Itachi fan. Itachi Uchiha. So, now I would like to ask my core team member to introduce themselves.
So, hello everyone, I'm Saud. I'm a third year computer engineering student and I'm the technical lead of DSC AIKTC for the current academics. I'll be mainly emphasizing on machine learning and Google and cloud computing. So, as far as cloud computing goes, I have completed my Google Cloud Readiness program and I'm currently preparing myself for Google Associate Cloud Engineer examination. For machine learning, I have used it multiple times throughout my second year computer engineering and and I'm still exploring the field, and I'd like to invite you all to please join us so that we can explore it further and be a pace with the ever-changing world of technology. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Khan Farhan Nadeem. Currently, I'm pursuing my third year of computer engineering at AIKTC and web expert lead of GDSC. Also, I am a campus ambassador at Coding Ninja. As a full stack web developer, I have hands on experience in front end and back end development. I develop multiple projects using Django API. I have broad skill set and knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, backend languages, database storage, and basic skill design. In addition, I am also Python developer and expertise in core Python. Also, I have good understanding of Flutter component libraries and basic of React. Although I am working on Flutter and React for more knowledge and skills. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Daniel Dolare, a third year computer engineering student at Anjuman Islam Kalsika Technical Campus. Last year I was UI UX lead at DSC AIKTC and now I have been selected as design executive for this year. So I know a bit of designing stuff and the UI UX stuff. So when you see all the posters and videos on the GDSC socials, they have my hand in it. I am also a Flutter developer and been developing mobile apps with it from past year. Currently, I am doing an internship as a Flutter developer and developing deliverable apps. I am not a pro at it, but still I have a lot of things to share with you all. I also love to program in Python because you know how good and easy it is to program and code in Python. And also I am looking ahead to be in the domain of content creation, mainly YouTube. So yeah, that's all from my side.
Hey guys, my name is Tawsi Mushtaq Ali Sheikh. I am an undergrad in CSE at Anjuman Islam Kalseka Technical Campus. For GDSC, I'll be managing all the events happening on and off campus. Whether it could be hackathon or a workshop or a seminar, I am the guy who will take care of you all people. Anything going excellent or anything going bad, I'll be the one to be blamed on. For my technical expertise, I am a full-time UI UX developer. I also know iOS development and also different languages like Python, C, C++, Java. I'll be surely waiting for you all to join with us in our session, inshallah. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Mapari Simran. I'm a third year computer engineering student and I've been selected as content creator lead at GDSC AIKTC for this year. As the name suggests, I'll be responsible for providing amazing contents for the different activities and sessions of JDSC. And talking about technical skills, I can code in C, Java, and Python. I love web designing, that is front end development, and apart from tech skills, I'm in general, as a person in general, I'm fun loving, adventurous, and outdoorsy kind of person. I love playing outdoor sports, and even one of my hobby is gardening. I just love to take care of plants, and I'm currently exploring the full stack web domain and working on improving problem solving skills. So yeah, that's it all from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Janvi Karya, former DSC lead. I'm a computer engineering. I'm from computer engineering department, final year. I love to dance, explore food, though I'm a vegetarian. That's all about me. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Zaki for upgrading the forward journey of GDSC. Super proud of you, Zaki. And I will also like to I would like to thank core team members. I'm impressed by looking at your dedication for GDSC. Trust me, you will surely become the most updated version of yourself by the end of this journey. Also, my role in this year will be uh, will be of your student coordinator, wherein I'll help you with your confusions, guide you on the right path, help you maintaining your LinkedIn, and a lot more such stuff. There's just one thing I would like to tell you, everyone. Please grab as much as you can from the GDSE sessions. Complete every task on time. Be a keen learner. That's it from my end. Thank you so much. All the very best.
Um, Aman Kazi is currently not available. Like he just texted me now that he has severe health issues. So I'm really sorry. Our student coordinator Aman Kazi is not available. So yeah. So moving on. So this is our JDSC IKTC team. You can connect to all of them through their LinkedIn ID. And yeah. So moving on next. Now, I'm sure that you guys are kind of feeling bored. So why not just play a normal game? Okay. So there is a link you can see either in description or in chat box or on the slide. I'm not seeing the slide. The YouTube live stream. So I don't know. So you guys can join our game and let's start the game. Hi, I'm back. So, are you guys playing game? Because I just a minute, I'll just. Yeah, so here we have our winner. I would like to, yeah, so, yeah, wow. So, people participated. Oh, wow. So, I would like to congratulate our glowing crane, sturdy glider, smiling emu, radiant raven, amusing alpha. Congratulations, guys! You guys win that game. Yeah. So I hope you all guys enjoyed the game. So moving on. So let's move back to our. Let's get back to the business. Just a minute. Yeah. So I hope you all enjoyed the game. Now let's get down to the business. So as most of you know, in the previous year that we have only two sessions in last year. That was 30 days of cloud and Android study jam. But you know, guys, what? This year we have many things under our sleeves. So this year we have total of 7 workshops from Google, starting with our cloud campaign that will be heard from September to October. Then we have our Android campaign that we heard from October to November. Then we have our Flutter campaign that will be heard from December to December. And in Flutter campaign, we will be teaching you guys, like most of you guys know what is cloud campaign and Android campaign. So I didn't elaborate much, but for those who don't know what Flutter campaign is, in Flutter campaign, there will be a workshop for 1 month where you guys will be learning the Flutter. That's great. And next we have our solution challenge, our grand hackathon conducted by Google. This will be conducted at January to March. So I hope you all guys meet. I hope I'm seeing. I hope you guys participate in the solution challenge and represent our JDSC AIKTC over there. Okay. And this year we have another cloud campaign too. Like we have our cloud campaign too from February to March, and we have our web campaign from April. And on the same one, we have our machine learning campaign too. So we have two campaign on the same year. So moving on to next slide. Now I hope you all guys are kind of excited for this year workshop, because I'm really, because last year we have only two and this year we have seven, so kind of excited. Now let's quickly go through all the domain in our JDSC, which basically mean all the topic that you will be discovered as a member of JDSC. So let's jump right in. I would like to call upon Khan Nadeem, our domain lead for full stack web development, to illustrate his domain.
Hi there everyone, Farhan here. I'm so excited to be here and can't wait to introduce you all to my domain. So first of all, I would like to tell you why I think web development is great and then pursue you all to learn web development with me. Web development gives you the opportunity to creatively express yourself on the internet. As you all already know, deciding a career will always be a difficult decision, especially when you are unsure of what the outcome will be after you have invested time and money into learning a new trade. We all have gone through this at the time of admission into engineering. Fortunately, the high demand, easy to learn, fun to experience life of a web developer is always a great choice for someone ready to have an exciting career in code. So, getting back to my domain, what is full stack web development? Basically, full stack web development refers to the development of both front end and back end portion of web applications. It is the implementation of the skills required for the development of websites for the internet. Modern web application can be either a simple static web pages to complex web application. Using variety of programming languages and web technology, we can manage site functionally, implement application features, and integrate security measures, and yet keeping it simple and efficient working for the user. Next, now let's unfold the topic that we will be exploring in my domain. First of all, we'll be focusing on the basics HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML is used to design the front end portion of web pages. In this, we will be defining the link between the web pages and the code behind those pages. Cascading style sheets, fondly referred to as CSS, is simply the process of making web pages presentable. We will be learning to apply styles to web pages, including colors, layout, and fonts, to make them more presentable. Next, we'll be learning JavaScript as well. So, as some of you already know, JavaScript is a famous scripting language used to make the site interactive for the user. It is used to enhance the functionality of the website. Using JavaScript, we will be covering basics like client-side validation, objects, functions, classes, jQuery, JSON, Ajax, etc. Thirdly, Python. In Python, we will be exploring all the basics of Python, including data types, function, exception handling, file handling, and much more. Additionally, we will also learning multiple libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and also frameworks like Django, etc. If that doesn't look like much, we will also be learning Django. Django is a Python framework. We will be covering some important topics in Django. Topics like introduction, features, installation, environment setup, admin interface, form validation, model, migration, MVT, and many more. All the topics will be explained in detail so that you can enough knowledge to call yourself a full stack web developer. To apply and test your knowledge in the practical World Wide Web. We will also be learning developing music app using Django framework. Here we will working with database along with views that is functionally backend of the app and the template files connected with Django MVT. Last but not least, we will also be learning React. React, also known as React.js, is a free and open source front-end JavaScript library for building user interface or UI component. It can be used and based in the development of single page or mobile application. We will be covering basic uses, function components, class-based components, architecture, and many more. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
Uh, I'm really this was a lot to take. Like we have so much in our web development domain. Wow. So thank you for your superb explanation of the web development domain. Like it's my personal because last time I was web domain lead. So now moving on to our next domain. I would like to say a small quote for this domain by Phil Nixon. So quote start. Your mobile device has quickly become the easiest portal into your digital self. Quote end. So by hearing the code, you guys have already might figure out what our domain is. So yeah, our next domain is mobile app development. So I would like Daniel Dolade. Daniel to come and introduce us to his domain. That is
Hello everyone, Daniel here once again. Yeah, Zaki, that quote was on point. As you all probably know, mobile app development opens a whole new world for creative people such as yourself to exhibit your ideas and solutions to the world through mobile apps. As a Mumbaiker, you all have used this app named M Indicator at some point in your life to find out train and buses timing and destination. So there we had a problem, and the developer came with a great solution as a mobile app. So, as the name suggests, mobile app development is the creation of software intended to run on mobile devices and optimized to take advantage of those products and unique features and hardwares. Like mobile devices can be our mobile phone, or it can be tablets, or it can be watch. So, I have a very simple question for you all. You can reply in the chat box and let's see who will get the answer correct first. So, the question is, name the top two mobile operating system in the world. I will repeat, name the top two mobile operating system in the world. Yeah, I'm looking forward to see your replies in the chat box. Come on, guys, this is a very easy question. You have to name only the top two. Okay, so Amiruddin Baghdadi with Android and iOS, Game Freak with Android and iOS, Sakleen Kaloki with Android and iOS. Yeah, so you all three have got the correct answer, and Amiruddin Baghdadi was the first. So yeah, congrats Amiruddin. So now let's move towards the topic that yet you all are gonna learn in mobile app development. They are really interesting and have some serious significance when it comes to being an app developer. And some of the topics that you all will be learning are: first, we have Android app development using Kotlin. Last year, we had the Android Study Jam where we learned the fundamentals and basic of developing an Android app with Kotlin. If you all remember the roadmap for this year, we have an Android campaign as well as a Flutter campaign. So again, we will be covering the Android development with Kotlin for those who missed it. Yeah, you are not going to miss anything. We are going to cover the Android development with Kotlin from the basics and fundamentals. And the next, as a mobile developer, you should learn the Android app development, as you know that it has 73% of market share in the mobile world on mobile operating system. Yeah. And then we have the most popular cross-platform app development framework, that is Flutter. Flutter is one of the most booming technology in this domain. It is by Google, yeah, and it is really easy, fast in performance, and also it is fast in developing. Like Flutter developers, they can really fastly develop Android apps within days. Yeah, and these apps are also scalable, and they are also deployable and deliverable to the end users as a product. Yeah, it's the Flutter is into mainstream from 3 to 4 years, and also they have a great community, and I would recommend that you all to learn Flutter. And last but not the least, we have the iOS app development. I am not an iOS developer, but we have Tausif Sheikh, who is our event manager, who is ready to teach you the iOS development to you all Apple fanboy. Yeah, that's all from my side. I'm looking forward to take part in the mobile app development sessions.
Thank you, Daniel. That was, greatly spectacular explanation of mobile app development. I can't wait to explore more your domain. So, guys, are you excited? So, just comment in chat box, yeah, 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 if you are kind of excited. I'm, looking forward to see your comments. Yeah, so thank you, Amiruddin Baghdadi. You once again topped the comment chat box section. So yeah, now moving on to our next domain, I have another quote again by Winman. Quote start: The cloud has become the supercomputer or the next generation supercomputer, and a smartphone has provided a revolution to its use. Yeah, I'm sorry, that was so wrong. So yeah, so I'm really sorry for the lag in the glitch in the between. So moving on, I would like to again hand over mic to Saud Kadri, our technical manager, to explain his domain.
So, hello once again. And first of all, I'd like to tell you why cloud computing is important. So, I like to believe that cloud is the transistor of our generation. You know that computers were as big as a complete room in earlier days. So it is all because of the transistor that the portable handheld computers now have insane processing power. So cloud is also following the same path, and I will like to explain you that games like Minecraft and FIFA Mobile, they all use cloud power, and that's where you can see cloud computing. And so, give you a brief introduction about cloud computing, I can tell you that cloud computing is actually a practice of network of using internet to gain storage and computing power. So we can store data, manage data, and process data, and there's access it all via the internet. And it also responds to the shortcomings of local storage by offering cloud storage, which has greater flexibility, better accessibility, and higher scalability, and fits the needs of all business sizes. It is also cost effective, as most of the vendors, they try to charge you as minimal as possible. And then let me tell you that we are that this what we are going to learn is going to make our future is going to make our career future proof. And so to give you brief to give you the topics that we'll be exploring, it is that we'll be looking at the introduction, architecture, and essentials of cloud. We'll also look at different services and deployment models offered by clouds. And then we will also have a look at emerging technologies supported by cloud. We will also have a glance at the career opportunities available to us. And we'll also have some fun with practical activities. Thus, we'll be creating a VPN in the cloud and hosting a website on the cloud. So that's it from my side. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So thank you so much, Saul, for that remarkable explanation of cloud computing domain. I'm sure you will all help us to then master the domain, the next upcoming generation domain, cloud computing, and make our career future proof too. So guys, are you kind of feeling bored or not? Comment in chat box. Feeling bored or excited? Just tell how you're feeling after knowing about the cloud domain. Like, are you guys excited? Yeah. Are you guys excited? Excited? I can't see any live chat or MRS. Okay, so yeah. So moving on. So for next domain, for which I don't have to pass on mic, is my UI UX. So again, a code for my domain too, by a smart designer named Alan Cooper. So code start with, if you want user to like our software, we should design it to behave like a likable person that is respectful, generous, and helpful. Yeah. So now looking after all the highly technical domain, a question arises in all of you guys. Yeah. That why should I waste my time on UI UX? So well, learning and practicing UI UX design will give you the opportunity to immerse yourself in habit and pattern of human behavior. Like by learning UI UX, you guys can it's kind of like learning a psychology where you have to create a design in such a manner that user can know, yeah, login का button यहाँ है, add करने का button यहाँ है. So UI UX is kind of like understanding the pattern of human behavior. If you're wondering that why people do this, why people do that, UI UX is a great career choice. So now I would like to ask you all, our audience, one question. What do you like, Instagram or Facebook? Just comment in the chat box what you like most, Instagram or Facebook. Raza Sheikh doesn't like anything. Wow. Raza, you are, can't say nothing. So I can see that most of you guys like Insta. So why do you think that Insta is better than Facebook, even though you know that Facebook on Insta, and kind of the feature are same, that in Instagram you have friend request, in Facebook you have friend request, like kind of everything is same in Instagram and Facebook. But the thing that Instagram is to kind of up level the Facebook is its UI. So the UI, the user interface of Instagram, due to it, people like more Instagram over Facebook. And another thing is that in over Instagram you don't have the old people all kind of people are in our Facebook. So yeah, so UI. So in short, if I like to sum up all the explanation that I have told to you up till now, UI design is a design of user interface for machine and software. Such as computer, hardware, applying like any devices. UI is just designing a thing, and it maximally what is that, and it focus maximizing the usability of the user. And what the topic are we going to learn in this domain? Next, please. Oh no, yeah, sorry. Yeah. So in this domain, I will be teaching you guys the basic of design basic. Like I will start with what is the concept of UI UX, how you can make your app in more kind of modern way and user interactive way. Like कभी कभी ये भी होता है ना कि हम कुछ ज़्यादा डिजाइन डाल देते हैं, like कुछ ज़्यादा हम लोग मॉडर्न हो जाते हैं, फिर यूजर बोलता है भाई क्या है ये. So I will teaching you guys how to make your design with like having a modern look along with the user what is called, I can, yeah, user friendly. And Reza say I actually don't use anything except WhatsApp. Wow, that's cool. That's really cool. Yeah. And yeah, so coming back, so I will also teaching you guys how to use some tools like Figma, Adobe XD, Adobe Illustrator, like all the tools that we as a UI UX developer, like we also developer. Okay, guys, we also developer. Like we as a UI UX developer or designer user. I will be also teaching you guys how to make a prototype of either a mobile app or a website. Okay, so yeah, so that was all from our side. I'm sure that after listening this long and detailed session, I'm sure your head are filled up with many questions, like kuch to questions hoga. So I request you all to go ahead and spam our comment box with all your questions. Like जो question है पूछो, बस पूछो. चलो. And yeah, like, share, subscribe. Normal YouTuber वालों का style. Like, share, subscribe. Yeah, whatever. Sorry, so that informal behavior. What is slide 30 bootcamp? I didn't get your question. What is slide 30 bootcamp? Even moderator. Bye. I didn't get your question. Game freak. I didn't see the right chat. Oh, so how you can get to know update of new event? In this inside in the description box we have all our social media link. Make sure you to follow us all over our social media, and please join our Discord so that you guys can interact with us and also get to know about our update on our upcoming event. Okay, so yeah, just follow our social media account and you will get to know all the updates regarding all the workshops. And yeah, and this year I think I forgot to tell you, but this year we have new thing under our sleeve. So guys, make sure to stay connected because अभी नहीं बोलूँगा, suspense रहना चाहिए ना. Every program will run for how many days. So depending upon our workshop that you're talking about, it will be held depending on how much time they are given. Like 30 days of cloud campaign will go for 30 days, and like if I take now, so for rough some amount, each workshop will go for 1 month. For 1 month. And along with those Google workshop, we will also taking all our event and sessions. So like our event, so most probably na our live stream will start, like we will be taking our live stream on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, like 3 days. 3 day our live streaming will be go. And yeah, so I think that answer. I am learning Java now. I want to learn app development. What should I do? So you're learning Java na? So Daniel, come on, app dominate. I think you can answer this question better than me.
Yeah. So whose question was this? Mohammad Raza Sheikh. Yeah, if you are learning Java, like clear the basic concepts of Java, and then you can move to Kotlin. If you want to learn the native Android app development, just go towards Kotlin. Like Java and Kotlin, they are similar. You can only take 1 to 2 weeks and you will transition from Java to Kotlin. If you want to learn cross-platform, like if you want to develop for Android, iOS, Mac OS, and everything, you can directly go towards the Flutter. And Flutter use Dart language, and Dart is like similar to Java and Kotlin. So like if you are learning Java now, continue learn the basics, and then you can jump to Kotlin or Dart.
Yeah, absolutely. A big Daniel. Yeah, and do we have any other questions? Guys, come on, yeah, पूछो ना. Web domain कहाँ हो तुम लोग? Web developers, पूछो questions. Hashtag leaving for web domains. For UI, what can I use? Yeah, UI UX developer. Yeah, एक आया, एक आया. So for UI UX, you can either use Figma, you can use Adobe XD, you can use Adobe Illustrator, Canva. या सबसे ना जो सबसे ज़्यादा ही फेमस है our Canva. So अगर लाइक तुम लोग को लगता है क्या तुम लोग का पीसी ज़्यादा पावरफुल नहीं है, 4 GB 2 GB रैम है, लाइक 2 GB रैम नहीं होती है किसी पर, तो Canva you can use Canva. और लेकिन I personally use Figma. Figma is the best. Hashtag Figma. Oh, thank you, Amiruddin. Bro, इतने अच्छे से समझाया कि क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछा रे. I am touched. Figma or simple CSS? So you know Figma is personally used for designing. Like अगर अगर आपको अगर आपको क्लाइंट आकर पूछता है कि कौन है मिस्टर जाहिर, आप बताइए कि आप अपना ऐप के जो हमारा फॉर एग्जांपल आप वेब डोमेन हो, ठीक है. सो अगर आप बोल रहे होगे कि आपको अपना प्रोटोटाइप चाहिए कि बताओ कि यार ऐप देखेगा कैसे, तो उसके लिए हम यूज करते हैं फिग्मा, जो है ना पर्सनल यूज होता है फॉर डिजाइनिंग के लिए, लाइक ओनली फॉर डिजाइनिंग. सीएसएस क्या होता है? सीएसएस यूज होता है एचटीएमएल को डिजाइन करने के लिए. ये फिग्मा जो यूज होता है सारी चीजें, लाइक एग्जांपल समझ लो कि आपको लोगो बनाने का है, आपको कोई वेब पेज का प्रोटोटाइप बनाने का है, तो ये सब चीज़ों के लिए हम यूज करते हैं फिग्मा. और सीएसएस तो जब एचटीएमएल आप लिखते हो, जब काइंड ऑफ क्या बोलते हैं यार उसको, हाँ, जब आप प्रोडक्शन लेवल पे जाते हो और आप जब बनाते हो अपना ऐप, या ऐप नहीं यार, अल्लाह मत ज़्यादा, जब आप बनाते हो अपनी वेबसाइट, तो वहाँ भी यूज करते हैं फिग्मा, जस्ट फॉर लोगो पर्पस, लोगो, एसवीजी, जीआईएफ, इन सब नॉर्मल नॉर्मल चीज़ें होती है ना, उन सब के यूज किया जाता है. या वो दोनों अच्छे, दोनों ही अच्छे, दोनों ही अच्छे. And one thing, chat, I want to ask, Adobe XD अभी भी फ्री है क्या? मेरे को नहीं मिला यार, फ्री हो गया. So I think हमारे सारे questions, yeah. So Figma is one of the most powerful UI tool in the market, whether you are in experienced design beginner. Yeah. सही सही अंसारी, एक नंबर सही बोल सुना भाई, एक नंबर. Hashtag UI UX developer. So yeah, I think we have answered all of your questions. If you guys still have any question, Discord join कर लो. Join करो Discord, link नीचे description में, और like मार दो यार, please like मार दो. ठीक है. So now, so like getting back to business, now I would like to request our faculty advisor, Mr. Mukhtar sir, to speak a few words and enlighten us on these prestigious occasions. Sir. Okay, I don't think sir is here. I think I'm ahead of my time. Uh, just a minute, guys. Just a minute, guys. Sir will be joining really soon. Wow. So now in our chat box is Figma versus Adobe XD. अरे दोनों ही अच्छे हैं. दोनों ही अपने लेवल पे एक नंबर बढ़िया है. मैं दोनों यूज करता हूँ. लाइक मेरा पोर्टफोलियो देखोगे ना, तो उसमें आधा फिग्मा है, आधा एडोबे ही है. लाइक नीचे का पार्ट सारा मैं एडोबे से बनाया हूँ, और ऊपर का जो पार्ट है मैं फिग्मा से बनाया हूँ. दोनों एक नंबर है भाई, दोनों एक नंबर है. चलो जब तक सर आते हैं गाइस क्वेश्चन पूछते जाओ एंड या एक बात बताना भूल गया हम लोग है ना ये साल साइबर सिक्योरिटी भी लेने वाले हैकर्स गेट रेडी यू नो आई थिंक मेरे को साइबर सिक्योरिटी का कोई नहीं ज़्यादा साइबर सिक्योरिटी का ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है तो मेरे साइबर सिक्योरिटी और हैकर एक ही है एंड द वॉर बिगन अरे भाई वॉर मत करो ऐसे कितने लोग एनिमे देखते हैं इटाची उचिया के फैंस कमेंट में लिखो शारिंगन लिखो कमेंट में देखो तुम लोग को स्पेलिंग आती कि नहीं आती शारिंगन की शारिंगन या फिर वो लिखो सबसे फेमस वर्ड हमारा अहमद तेरासू लिखो यार अभी सर आ रहे जब तक चलो करते हैं नमस्ते मजाक करते हैं ये इटाची फैन oh yeah we got two Itachi fan शारिंगन अरे हाँ मैंने स्पेलिंग कर लिखा था शारिंगन होता है हाँ आ गए नॉन वी फैन okay yeah so do you guys have any more question how can we join your club sir so how can you join our discord guy just join our discord हम वहीं पर ही है तो आपने हमारे डिस्कॉर्ड ज्वाइन किया आप हमारे क्लब में आ गए सिंचैन नारुतो गाजी ये कौन सा है एनिमे का आई डोंट नो so do you guys have any more questions and guys and one more thing agar if you still have not joined us in our JDSC club event so do join. That's right, jdsc.community.dev, and over there just search for JDSC or Google Developer Student Club, Anjuman Islam, Khalsa Technical Campus. Like AIKTC mein likhna, Anjuman Islam, Khalsa Technical Campus. Okay, so guys, our wait is over. Now our faculty advisor, Mr. Mukhtar sir, is back. So I would like Mr. Mukhtar sir to speak a few words and enlighten us on this prestigious occasion. Sir.
Zaki, just 1 minute, and
Yes,
I'll
sir.
be back
Yes,
in
sir.
1 minute.
Yes, sir. Okay, sorry guys for the delay. I'm really sorry. Sir, sir is coming. Just wait for the speech. ज़्यादा लॉन्ग स्पीच नहीं होगी I'm sure होगी I don't know नारुतो है इटाची ज़ाहिरा खान इटाची का पेन नारुतो का पेन ज़्यादा नहीं इटाची से माय इटाची बॉय And I like to ask one thing from all of you guys. How many people use Spotify? Spotify कौन यूज करते हैं Spotify? How many people use Spotify? Spotify. No. Okay, our design executive doesn't.
Hello.
Yeah, I think sir is back. So, sir, uh, uh,
Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible? Zaki, am I audible?
you are live.
Zaki good gaya. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, so this is the first meeting, I think so, after this is the first official meeting. Okay. So hope you all are doing well. Okay. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to talk in front of you people. Like because I really think that you people are very savvy, technical savvy, and you people are doing great. Okay. Because I'm not that much involved. I think last year also when Janvi was the DSC lead, I was not that much involved, but she was giving me all the updates time to time. She was giving me all the things very good. Okay. So our new team is formed now. Okay. So few members have been changed and few members were the last only. And although the last work was also very very good, you all have to you all have done very great job. Those who were there in the last team. Okay, so we have come a long way. Sometimes it may feel like you work hard and it is not appreciated. Okay, because every time only programs club is appreciated and people are not even been counted कि भाई कहाँ पर थे और किसने कितना काम किया and who is this ये लोग है कौन. Okay, but be assured that your journey, your achievements and your value is noticed. Okay, so don't worry about it. And when you see you working long hours, okay, and sometimes staying long in order to complete those assigned tasks from the head from the we can say head office or from the higher authorities, okay, but you are still working for long. That's a very achievable task, and that's a very good thing. We see you pulling together as a team, and as resources keep being pulled away from you, but still you people are working, so that's a very good thing. I like it, and actually I have discussed the same thing with in front of the directors are also that we have a team, okay, which has been initiated by the Google Developers Club. Now it is Google Developers Club, GDSC, and these people are working like this is the path, and on these particular activities these students and these members are working. So I've already mentioned the things in front of the directors also. We see you giving your precious time with your family to give that time to our cause, okay, that for our work and for our this GSC. So every day your team benefits from your creativity, your hard work, your intelligence, and your leadership. Okay, because each one of you can become a leader in your future task, or you can say in your future places. That is why all of us, keep on striving to care, and that is why all of us keep on striving to care and to do the job, and you do it because you know your team relies on you and you won't let them down. Okay, and you people are striving in order to complete your task, in order to complete and in order to make the name of the of college at the top. Okay, so that because if anything goes wrong, then obviously कहाँ के student है, so they are from Kalsikar, but you people are not letting us down, and you people are working very hard towards this particular path. So that's a great achievement for all of you. So tomorrow and the next day and in the future also, when you feel discouraged or exhausted, just remember what we have achieved and what we have to achieve. Okay, so with this I will end up my speech and I will hand it over to the DSC lead, Zaki. Okay, thank you. Over to you, Zaki.
Really, thank you, sir, for encouraging us, and thank you so much for your valuable work. Now, I would like now our HOD sir, Mr. Tapre sir, will be joining you guys. So just just be a patient. He's a HOD, busy man. So yeah, he will be joining within a few time. Yeah, I just called him right now. Until then, let's start our Q&A again. If you guys have any question, again, like after hearing our faculty advisor, Mr. Mukta sir, if you guys have question again, ask us. We are sitting here to answer you guys. Sir, when will we get chance to join team? I'm telling you ना, Discord join कर लो, तुम टीम में आ गए हो. Discord join करो, Discord. Link in description है ना? Link description में. Yeah, we have our link in description. Just join guys. Like अगर like team join करने में मतलब क्या हुआ? You guys are interacting with us. Interacting with us कहाँ से करोगे? From Discord. Join us. What exactly what we exactly do in cloud computing? Yeah, that's really nice question. So in cloud computing, you guys will be you will be getting a few creation from the quick lab, and inside the quick lab you guys will be taught about cloud computing. And what do we do in exactly in cloud computing? If I want to ask the question is that cloud computing is like अभी ऐसा एग्जाम्पल समझ लो ना कि आपने कोई अपना ऐप like for cloud computing I think Skadi Soud will be the best guy to answer this question because I'm not DevOps. So Soud is Soud there? Hello.
Hello, Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam, sir. Sadis, yeah.
Here's the key.
Yes, sir. So, sir, can you just speak a few words before we end our inauguration, sir?
Sure. So, thank you, Lucky. And I again welcome all the students of this DSC to this program. And Alhamdulillah, it's indeed a great achievement for us that we have completed almost one session, you can say, of a year with this DSC. And now the second cycle, or you can say the second academic session has been started with this DSC. And I'm sure that the way DSC has performed in the last year, it will be performing much more better, much more better this year. And with this team, which is there to improve each other's learning, each other's programming, problem solving skills, each other's programming skills. Because when you share your knowledge with others, so at the end of the day, you are the first person to get benefited. Okay, so definitely it will be benefiting to all the students, those who are going to act as a speaker, as a conveyor, and also to all the participants, those who would be learning directly, indirectly. So my best wishes, my best regards to all the members of DSC. And likewise, as you know, we have a programmers club also into our department. So since last 1.5 year, all the things are going online. And so the activities of DSC were also completely online. But the moment we hope to get the things offline by say December or January, so inshallah we'll be having all the activities then to be in the offline mode. So there inshallah we'll be seeing a lot of learning. Okay. To DSC, to Programmers Club, and to one more thing that we are going to start soon. So I wish each one of you to have a great learning. Okay. So thank you from my side. All the best for all your endeavors. Thank you. Back to you, Lucky.
Thank you so much, Abdul sir, for your valuable word. We hope this so we will continue like how our former lead Janvi Garia did with JDSC. Yes, so guys, yeah. So now I would like to call upon my team. Come on, team. Come on, live stream. Team. Yeah. So we have our event moderator, our assistant content writer, our design executive, our web expert, and okay, and yeah, our content writer, and where is so where's our cloud guy?
I think Saud has disconnected.
Oh, so disconnected. Oh, I'm really sorry. So yeah, guys. So this is all our team. Yay. So
Yeah, he's
yeah, हम लोग
there.
हैं.
Oh,
Yeah,
he's
he is
there.
back. Oh, so yeah, so guys. So this is all our team. So lastly, I would like to thank all of the people who were contributed to make this session a reality, and we look forward, to see you all to make progress. And yeah, so that's connect, learn, and grow along with GDSC. So yeah, that's all, guys. Here for peace and code. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.